Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy King's Life, checking in with another video, man. So today's video, I went on ahead and installed some carbon fiber pieces, man. Kind of want to get straight into the video. Short video. I just want to show y'all how it looks and how it turned out, man. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, so far, man, we don't have the door panels on, but we are refurbishing them right now. So y'all stay tuned for that as well, man. We're getting it together, but yes, look at that carbon fiber on there, man. All the way to the bottom of that. I will be getting something like customized to cover this part, so don't mind that. I will be getting something to cover that up, but yes, the carbon fiber turned out really good, man. And it's gloss carbon fiber, really nice, man. I like how it turned out. They actually have a whole carbon fiber kit for the Chevy Cruise Dash. So yeah, man, I might get these in carbon fiber as well. The vents, y'all comment down below, let me know what y'all think about that. But I wish the back of the seat was carbon fiber, gloss carbon fiber instead of that matte, man. But it's all good. But that's the inside of the S10 for now. Y'all comment down below, tell me what y'all think of how it's turning out. I do need to clean up in here really good. Let me take one of these plastic things off for y'all, man. That way y'all can get a better understanding. This plastic is hot too. It is a very beautiful day out here today, man. As y'all can see, beautiful day out here today. Let's get this plastic off so we can take a look at the seats, because I don't know if I actually showed y'all the seat just yet, man. So, like I said, that's the way it's looking right now. It looks really good, man. And I'ma always say this too, man. This build is not supposed to be a perfect build. It's just a build I just thought about one day, man, just doing, and you know, trying to see if I can achieve the goal. And you know, it's turning out the way I like it. You know what I'm saying? This gap gonna close. I had to actually open that up for the door switch. So yeah, I will be closing that back up as well. It's still under construction, guys, so don't get on the comment section and roast me and all that type stuff, because at the end of the day, like I said, it's the way that I want it. So I'm happy with it. I gave it a good wash today. Actually gave it a good wash today, guys. Cleaned up the wheels a little bit. Also, I will be doing the hood over again, so y'all stay tuned for that. Not gonna be giving y'all a video on that because I already kind of did some episodes about the first go around on the hood, so I don't want to bore y'all with doing the hood over again, unless that's what y'all want to see. Y'all let me know. But I will be doing the hood over again. I got the right materials that we need to do the hood over again, so y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, I won't be filming that. Will just be doing it on my own time. But if you guys didn't know, I did install some new speakers, some DS18s in here, and they sound really good. I took them out for the time being, but they sound really good, guys. I highly recommend the DS18's brand. Highly recommend it. But yeah, man, kind of want to give y'all a little update of the Chevy S10, man. Quick little video. Like I said, y'all drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about how I'm doing everything. And And yeah, man, we can keep these videos pushing out. Like I said, I appreciate y'all. So y'all stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the next video, man.
Money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. I count money when I'm bored. Watch the money hit the floor. Make it rain, make it pour. In my house, don't need no tour. It's just me and the fam. 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 Yeah, yeah. It's just me and the fam. See my little Tay-Tay, that's my hype girl, that's my mascot. Little ones go for hours and some hours till we pass out. Stay inside the house, turned up with them racks out. Stay inside the house, turned up with the racks out. Wow. If I got it, they got it. Fairly strong, they solid. For them empty my pockets. If I got it, we got it. Foundation been solid. Taking off like a rocket.